Hey all, Anirudh here. Today I will going to show you how we can use Bootstrap font awesome icons in Power Apps. Now the question is why we need all this thing. If you see any kind of SharePoint list recently, you will know that whenever you click on new, there is some icons in front of the label. It appears based on the column type, what column type. If it is a single line of column, this kind of things coming. If it's a multi-line of column, these things is coming. Correct. They can connect the label with the icon. Now, if you provide some LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, the icon will not get changed because it is a single line of column. It will be like this. But what I want is, I will show you. This is something I wanted to do. If it is a Twitter, the Twitter icon should be there. LinkedIn icon should be there. Either this or maybe this one. Okay, so this is the end goal. So I have created one app for that. I will provide this link in the description. From this link you can download this app. Okay, I have already uploaded here. Okay, now you need to go here, you need to create new app, canvas, and then select open, go to browse, select that downloaded app. Okay, don't do anything here, just select this, go to save. I have already the same name, so I will take v1 and save it. When I save, I will close this. Okay, now I'll run the app. So here all the icons are there. So if you visit Bootstrap Font Awesome website, then you can find that there is a more than 1600 icons are there. You can search them and you need to click on the free icons. So these are the free icons. Okay, now question is how you can use these icons in your Power App. Earlier I have created one video. There I actually showed you how you can use Office UI App Fabric icon. So these icons, correct? But sometimes if you are a web developer, you are very much keen to use Bootstrap icons rather than Office UI icons. So for example, let's say I want Twitter icon, correct? So I will select this. I'll select, then color will be the default one as I mentioned here. So but you want original color of the Twitter icon. So what you need to do, you need to go Twitter. You know, to select this plugin. There is a plugin. You need to choose. Okay, copy this one. Come here. So you will get it. Now you need to copy this code, auto-generated code, and I will create one new screen for you. I'll delete this. I'll create one. So currently we are actually targeting this. So we'll go here. Don't drag and drop this kind of things. I mean, changing the things, because you see that width are actually responsive kind of. It is auto calculated. So you need to understand this thing. So what I will do is I'll provide it width much lesser, 120 maybe, and then I will give this 60. Okay, now I will come here I'll add one image. In this image I will double quote and then paste it. Okay, then it will come like this. Now you can give much better look like that. So another example I can give you, let's say LinkedIn. We'll go to LinkedIn, click here. So first you need to lock, then so whatever you have done, it is you done 90 and that 120. So I'll do it 90 and this will be 120. Then I'll add one image again. So for the LinkedIn, do like this, copy, done. Okay, now you need to understand that top, bottom and everything will be the same for all the icons, so it will be look much better. Like it is 50, then you need to do it 50 if possible, and for left it is 30, so you need to do for this also 30, and both are 50, and the top is 10 and top is 10. Now both are perfectly aligned. This how you can do. As I said, there are two kind of things I have created. You can do like this. So for this thing, so I said there is another type of UI. You can do also like this. So first you need to do edit. So the Y is 10 and X is 90. So you need to mention the same thing here. Y is 10 and X is 90. And this was 120 earlier, you can remember. That's how it is. So for that matter, here you need to put something. So it will look like this. Also you need to give some space for that, like this. Okay, so that's all for today. Let me know if you need any help to implement this. Thank you.